going to continue with part 5 of CMAT most important questions. So before we start, I request everyone to please mark your presence. Be quick, guys. Please mark your presence. So let's get started. So guys, first announcement, which is a very favorable announcement for you. So Gradeup has started the February Mela sale, wherein you are getting now 50% off on the total fee. So for CAT 2021 12-month program whose fees is 20,000, now this program is available for you at a fees of only and only 10,000. 18 months program which was available at a price of 25,000, now you can get this price, this program at a fees of 12,500 only. Good evening, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. So it's a big price drop, right? For all the students who want to join Gradeup. So this is like one-time offer, one of the best fees that you can get at Gradeup. Hi, Vicky. Hello. So if you join this particular program or either 12 or 18 months, please keep in mind all the classes are conducted through Gradeup app, right, or are conducted at Gradeup website, which is gradeup.co. So when it comes to these programs which are paid programs, they are not conducted through YouTube. Please keep that in mind, right? So these classes are going to be entirely structured, totally different set of classes wherein each and every topic of quant, LRDI and verbal ability is covered in detail. Good evening, good evening. So guys, if you are enjoying the session, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. So let's start. So in question number 1, it says, what is the probability of getting a 9 or 10 on a single throw of 2 dice? So if we throw 2 dice, total outcomes possible are 6 square, which are 36. If you want a sum of 9 or a sum of 10, so we can get 9 either in 6 plus 3 or 5 plus 4 or 4 plus 5 or 3 plus 6 way. So there are 4 ways of getting a sum of 9. Likewise, when it comes to 10, it can be either 6 plus 4 or it is 5 plus 5 or it is 4 plus 6. There are a total of 3 ways. So the total number of ways in which we can get 9 or 10 comes out to be 4 plus 3, which are 7 out of 36. So the required probability comes out to be option B, which is 7 by 36. Perfect, Vivek. Good, good, Chandar, good. So everyone, please check it out. I hope it is clear to each and every student. If anyone has a doubt, do let me know. क्षितिज, खुशबू, कलश, श्रद्धा, प्रिया, गर्भित, देख लो क्लियर है. हेलो एवरीवन, हेलो, गुड इवनिंग. Right, Shreya, right. If anyone has a doubt, do let me know. So we did similar question yesterday as well. In second, it says the length of a room exceeds its breadth by 2 meters. So let's say if breadth is x, length given to me is x plus 2. If the length be increased by 4, it becomes x plus 2 plus 4, which is x plus 6. And the breadth decreased by 2 makes it x minus 2. The area remains same. So area is length into breadth, which is either x plus 2 into x or x plus 6 into x minus 2. Because it remained the same, we can equate the two values. So let's open it for the value of x. X square plus 2x will be equivalent to x square plus 6x minus 2x, which is 4x minus 12. This get cancelled out. 2x comes out to be 12, x comes out to be 6. Then he says find the surface area of its walls if the height is 3 meter. Right? Now in this case, please keep in mind this is the original length and breadth, and we are given condition if it is increased and decreased by this, area remains same. So this is the actual value which we have to use to calculate surface area of its wall, right? Which means length will be 6 plus 2, 8, breadth will be 6, and height will be now 3. And surface area of walls will be twice of, so LB nahi aayega, it will be BH plus HL. Or we can say twice of L plus B into H. Or L plus B comes out to be 8 plus 6, 14 into 3. Right, so 3 into 2 is 6, 6 into 14, answer comes out to be 84 meters square. So guys, please check it out. I hope it is clear to each and every student. If any student has a doubt, do let me know. Right, Garvit, right. Shall we move on? Okay. In third, it says a bus covers first 50 kilometer in 40 minutes. Next 50 kilometer at a speed of 2 kilometer per minute. And the next 30 kilometer at a speed of 1 kilometer per minute. What is its average speed during the entire journey? So guys, average speed is given by total distance, which is 50 plus 50 plus 30, 130 kilometer divided by total time taken. Now, here the time is already given to me in minutes. So let's convert it to hours. It will be 40 by 60 of an hour, which is 2 by 3 hours. Plus the time taken here will be, so speed is 2 kilometer per minute and we need to cover 50 kilometer. Time taken is distance upon speed, so 50 by 2 comes out to be 25 minutes. So I am keeping it as 40 only because the values will be in minute. So we can take LCM with ease. So it will be 25 by 60. And here time taken will be 30 by 1 minute, which is 30 minutes. So it is 30 by 60. 60 will be the LCM which goes in the numerator. So calculation becomes easier. So 40 plus 30 plus 25 add up to 95. So 5 gets cancelled out here. 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45. So 5 2s are 10, 5 6 are 30. So let's multiply them. 6 into 6 is 36, 3 is carried. 6 into 2, 12 plus 3, 15 divided by 19. Alright, so now we have to check the value here. So 19 into 8 comes out to be 152. So obviously answer is going to be more than 80, but it is obviously not 80. So C will be the correct answer option. Right, Srivastav. Right, Shreya. Right, Sitij. Right. So please guys check it out. मैंने पूरा again divide नहीं किया है. So I know cancellation होगा नहीं. It is not a multiple of 19. Values definitely decimal में आएंगी. So D is ruled out. So right answer option is C. Here he says 3 wheels making 60, 36, 24 revolutions in a minute start with a certain point in their circumference. Find when they will again come together in the same position. So in this case, we just need to take LCM of the time taken by them to complete one revolution. So it is making 60 revolutions in 1 minute. Answer is in second. So let's write it as 60 seconds. So can I say time taken for one revolution will be 60 seconds divided by 60? and here it will be 36, the 60 divided by 36, and here it will be 60 divided by 24. Now to take LCM of fractions, we need to take LCM of values in the numerator, which is 60, divided by HCF of the values in the denominator, which is 12. So 12 5s are 60, get cancelled out. Answer comes out to be 5 second. Hence correct answer option is B. So you need not simplify the values simultaneously, right, Vivek? So it's better to keep it the way they are, right? Because it will be easier to take LCM of fractions whose numerators are same. Is it clear? If anyone has a doubt in these 4 questions, do let me know. किसी को कुछ भी डाउट है तो प्लीज बता देना. Okay, so let's move on. So guys, if you are enjoying the session, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. So a certain amount of money invested at 10% per annum compound interest for 2 years became rupee 2000. What is the initial investment? So we all know that principal into 1 plus r by 100, which makes it 1.1 raised to power t, equals amount, which in this case is 2000. So principal must be 2000 divided by 1.1 square, which is 11 into 11, and 100 goes in the numerator. So we just need to cancel out by 11. So right, so I am writing the 2 zeros here also. So let's cancel out with first 11. So 11 times 1 is 11. So if you know the value of 1 by 11, right, which is 0.0909, that will again make your calculations easier. Right, so in this case, we just need to multiply it with 2. So 2 by 11 will be 0.18181818, right, and so on. So आपको orally करना नहीं पड़ेगा. So because there are 5 zeros here, तो decimal place यहाँ पर shift हो जाएगा, makes it 1.818 divided by 11. So now we can divide it by 11. 11 ones are 11. Leftover is 71. 11 6 are 66. Leftover is 58. 11 5s are, so there is only one option with such a value. So answer comes out to be C. Right, Vivek, Chandar, Harsh, right. Right, right. Perfect, Kajal. Right, Sitij. Okay, so let's move on. If the height of a right circular cone is increased by 200% and radius of the base is reduced by 50%, then volume of the cone क्या change आएगा वो बताना है. So we all know volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So this is r into h. So this decreased by 50, this decreased by 50, and this increased by 200. So we have to study the successive change in this case. Decrease of 50 and 50 gives me overall decrease of 75%. So minus 100 plus 25 comes out to be 75%. Decrease of 75, increase of 200 gives us net change of this much percent. So minus 75 and minus 150 makes it minus of 225 plus 200, which is equivalent to decreases by 25%. So you can also use multiplying factors here. All right, so we can also say now the volume will be 1 by 3 into pi into 1 by 2 of r whole square into increase of 200% makes it 3 times h. So this is 1 by 4, which will come outside. So it becomes 3 by 4 of 1 by 3 pi r square h. So the new volume is 3 by 4 times previous volume. So decreases of 1 by 4, which is equivalent to 25%. So you can use either of the method, right? जो भी आपको ज़्यादा comfortable लगता है, उसे adopt करो. Question is very easy, can be done either ways. Ashish, it's B. Decreases by 25% because answer is minus 25. Right, Ashish, right. In seventh, it says an electric appliance is priced at rupees 600 initially. Because of the market recession, price was successively reduced 3 times, each time by 10% of the price after the earlier reduction. So what is the current price of the article? So we just need to multiply 600 with 0.9 cube. All right. So we all know 9 cube is 729. So 600 into 0.729 will be the required answer. All right. So 6 into 9 is 54, 5 carried ahead. 12 plus 5, 17, 1 carried ahead. 42 plus 1, 43. Answer comes out to be 437.4 rupees. Right, right, Chandar, right. Good, good. Right, Kajal. बहुत बढ़िया. आई होप सभी को क्लियर है. Shall we move on? Right, Ashish. चलो next देखो. Here it says below given is the table showing age-wise ownership of mobiles. So for different mobile phones we know up to 1 year old कितने % हैं, 1 to 2 year old कितने % हैं, 2 to 3 and more than 3 year old कितने हैं. If 1 crore mobiles were sold last year, then how many LG sets were sold? So guys, can you tell me the answer? Alright, Sahil. So guys, can you tell me the answer? How many mobiles LG sets were sold last year? Be quick, guys. Okay, okay, right. So in this case, the correct answer option comes out to be D, because it says 1 crore mobiles were sold last year's. Right, but the breakup here given to me is of LG mobile phones. So the total LG mobile phones that are being used. So 15% are 1 year old, 45% 1 to 2 year old, 2 to 3 year old are 40%. But I do not know the breakup of this 1 crore. Right. So if there are A mobile phones of LG, B of Samsung, C of Nokia, D of Sony, E of Micromax, their sum is given to me as 1 CR, but I do not know how much are of LG brand. Right, good job everyone. Right, right, right. So usually student इस केस में 15% सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. Right. So 15% of 1 CR is not your answer. Right. Good job. Good job. So here we have to simplify this. So we will start from the innermost square root. So square root of 169 is 13. 51 plus 13 is 64. Square root of 64 is 8. 188 plus 8 is 196. Square root of 196 is 14. So correct answer option is D. Is it done? विकी एंड में देना मेरे को, एंड में डिस्कस कर लेंगे. पहले हम ये क्वेश्चंस कर लें. वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस जो डिस्कस करने हैं. Right, Vicky? Right, Shraddha? Right, Chetan? Right, Bharti? Right. Right, Sumant? Right, Sahil? Right. विकी एंड में वंस वी आर डन विद द सेशन एंड में करेंगे ये, ठीक है? एंड में मेरे को याद करवा देना, दोबारा पोस्ट कर देना एंड में, वी विल डू। राइट Nehan, राइट। ओके, सो लेट्स मूव ऑन। So please guys, like the session. All right, so all those who are online on YT, all right, so please do like the session. All right, so your likes means a lot to us, so please like the session. You can spare few seconds to do the same. Okay, so here it says, in what time will rupees 6250 amount to this at 4% compound interest payable half yearly? So in case of half yearly, your rate of interest will be half of this, which is effectively 2% every 6 months. So 2% of 6250 comes out to be around 120. I am doing approximation, पूरा करने का requirement नहीं है. And difference of these two comes out to be around 400. And we can see अगर आपको 3 periods दिए जाएं, in 3 periods 120, 120, 120 adds up to 360. So हर month, हर 6 months के बाद the value is going to be in actual more. हमने exact calculation किया भी नहीं है. So answer comes out to be 3 by 2 years, which is 1.5 year. So in 3 periods it will be achieved. So guys, please check it out. I hope it is clear. I am not using formula because division unnecessary will take a lot of time. Right, Harsh, right. So it can be solved quite quickly like this without using formula. Yes, Kajal, they are previous year CMAT actual paper questions. So this is the actual level of CMAT. Right? I always say it is mandatory for each and every student to solve previous year papers. राइट, सो उसी से अपने को एग्जैक्ट आइडिया पता चलता है कि क्या होगा. डन. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव ऑन. Expenditure of a company in lakh rupee per annum over the given years was under. So this is given to me under salary head. कितना पैसा खर्च हो रहा है, फ्यूल एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट पे बोनस कितना दे रहे हैं, इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन and tax कितना पे कर रहे हैं. So all the values are in lakh rupees. He says, what is the average salary expenditure in lakh rupees per annum during this period? So we all know how to calculate average. We just need to add the values and divide it by number of values. So salary की बात कर रहा है तो इन सबको ऐड करना था. So 6 plus 2 8, 16, 17, 18, 1 carried ahead. 7 plus 4 11, 12, 12 plus 12 24, 24 plus 7 is 31, 3 carried ahead. So 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 8 28 plus 5 33 to be divided by 5. So cancel kar do. 5 6 are 30, leftover is 31. Again 5 6 are 30, leftover is 18. 5 3 are 15, leftover is 30. 5 6 are 30, so answer is option A, 663.6. देख लो, क्लियर है सभी को? राइट हर्ष, राइट सुमंत, राइट काजल, राइट हिरल, राइट रूपा, गुड एवरीवन, गुड. राइट क्षितिज, राइट सचिन, राइट. इट्स ए राइट साहिल. So questions are very easy, but speed is the only thing that we need to ensure. So I can see sabhi ka speed is now pretty good. So number of different categories of goods sold in the city over the year in 1000 is as given under. So the values are in 1000. Please keep that in mind. He says, in which of the following years was the number of refrigerators sold approximately 25% of the number of cell phones sold? So here we have refrigerator and here we have cell phone. So this value should be 25% of this value. So किस ईयर में ऐसा हुआ ये बताना है. It means I have to calculate 1/4 of these values, right? So 11, 12, 13, 14 are the values in picture. So let's do the mathematics for those values only, right? So if I take 1/4 of this, so 4 8s are 32, आसपास कहीं नहीं है. If I take 1/4 of this, 4 10s are will be like 101, ये भी नहीं है. Its 1/4 will be 4 1s are 4, then 0, 4 3s are 12, ये भी आसपास नहीं है. 4 1s are 4, again 4 1s are 4, and then 0, so this is the closest value. So the right answer in this case comes out to be 2014. Is it done, guys? Instead of calculating, right, Bharti, Rupa, Sumit, Ashish, Chetan, correct. Instead of calculating 60 is what percent of 336, or 79 is what percent of 404, 93 is what percent of 411, better will be take 1/4 of all the values. If it is somewhere closer to the given number, take it, otherwise leave it. Right. Okay, so let's move on. Here it says in the figure, PQ is the diameter of the circle. Angle PQS is 35 degree. Find angle QRS. Now, in order to solve it, just join PR. Because PQ is the diameter, angle in a semicircle is always 90 degree. So this total angle PRQ is 90. Now, if we just have a look at this arc, it is subtending an angle of 35 degree on the circumference. And here again, PRS and PQS are going to be equal. So this angle is also 35. So this angle must be 90 minus 35, which is equivalent to 55 degree. Here will not be A. 90 minus 35. शिवम, मैं सभी स्टूडेंट्स को यही समझाता हूं, व्हाट इफ से बाहर निकलो जिंदगी में, राइट? व्हाट इफ आगे नहीं बढ़ने देता. बच्चे ये इजी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं कर पाते. व्हाट इफ लेकर चलेंगे तो लाइफ विल बी इवन डिफिकल्ट, राइट? एक्चुअल पेपर बहुत आसान आता है और हम सोचते रहते हैं, ख्याली पुलाव पकाते हैं, अगर ऐसा हो तो, अगर वैसा हो तो, और आप जो भी सोचते हो वैसा होता नहीं. पेपर फिर वैसा इजी सा आता है. क्यों सोचते हो यार? इतना ना टेंशन लिया करो. जिंदगी इज वेरी इजी. कॉम्प्लेक्स मत बनाओ उसे. हर जगह पे नहीं सोचने का, राइट? द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज इज द बुक्स विच आर देयर इन द मार्केट. उन्होंने स्टूडेंट्स को ये सोचने पे मजबूर कर दिया कि अगर ऐसा हो वैसा हो तो कैसा हो, राइट? नहीं, सॉरी वाली कोई बात नहीं है यार. सॉरी क्यों बोलते हो? तुमने मेरे से पूछा, मैंने इस ढंग से समझाया कि तुम इसको भूलो नहीं, इस चीज को. ठीक है? यस आ रहे हैं, राइट. आशीष, इस केस में मैं बोल रहा हूं, एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय एन आर्क. लेट्स से यू सिलेक्ट एन आर्क. एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय दिस आर्क ऑन द सर्कमफ्रेंस इज ऑलवेज इक्वल. सो ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल होते हैं. So this arc PS is subtending an angle of 35 here. So this angle must also be 35 ना. So इसलिए PR को join किया था. So this total is 90. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. So this leftover angle जो निकालना था हमें QRS will be 90 minus 35. Done, Ashish? आशीष डन, राइट. देख लो किसी और को डाउट तो नहीं है ना यार? चलो, लेट्स मूव ऑन. Here it says x and y are given, so which of the following is true? So we need to observe कौन बड़ा कौन छोटा इक्वल है, क्या है. So x is 5 raised to power 1 by 6, y is 4 raised to power 1 by 5. In order to compare these two, हमें power same बनाना है. So we will take LCM of 5 and 6, which is 30. So it can be rewritten as 5 raised to power 5 by 30. And this can be written as 4 raised to power 6 by 30. So this is 5 raised to power 5 whole raised to power 1 by 30. And this is 4 raised to power 6 whole raised to power 1 by 30. So what is the value of 5 raised to power 5? It is 3125. And what is 4 raised to power 6? It is 4096. Because this is a bigger value, so its 30th root will be bigger. So answer comes out to be y is more than x. Is the calculation clear? Right, Vivek, right. Is it done, guys? All right. Okay, so in 15th he says if A and B are positive real numbers and A star B denotes root of A into B, what is the value of this? So we have to start with bracket first. So 4 star 16 will be square root of 64, which is 8. 8 star 8 will be square root of 8 into 8, 64, which is 8. So correct answer option is C. Wait, Vivek, wait. Is it done? Guys, is it done? Okay, Vivek, when it comes to Jamna Lal Bajaj, tell me first of all, are you from Mumbai? विवेक मुंबई से हो गया. राइट राइट. विवेक टेल मी विवेक मुंबई से हो क्या? महाराष्ट्र से हो. ओके राइट, महाराष्ट्र ही बोलना चाहिए था मेरे को. सो इफ यू आर फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र, राइट राइट राइट, फेयर एनफ. ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. सी through CMAT to get into JB, you are required 99.9 plus percentile, right, which is as good as you should be among the toppers, because जो भी टॉप करेगा वो JB भागेगा. ठीक है, तो 100 परसेंटाइल के लिए टारगेट करो दोस्त. इज इट डन? क्लियर है? Okay, so let's move on. So guys, please like the session. If you are enjoying it, please do like the session. So those who have joined late, please spare a minute's time and join and like the session. All right. So here it says the average age of 3 men is 50, which means total will be 50 into 3, which is 150 years. And their ages are in the proportion 3 is to 5 is to 7. The age of the youngest man is. So that will be 3 divided by sum of these 3, which is 15 times 150. So this get cancelled out. Answer comes out to be 30 years. रुक जा विवेक, करते हैं डिस्कस, एंड में करते हैं डिस्कस, आराम से करते हैं, रुक जा. राइट, आराम से करते हैं एंड में. ये जमनालाल बजाज इज ऑलवेज अ कंसर्न सभी स्टूडेंट्स का। ठीक है, मैं एंड में करता हूँ डिस्कस, अभी अभी लेट्स फोकस ऑन दिस। एंड में सारे के सारे लाइक क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस कर लेंगे। राहुल राहुल प्लीज वेट। ये सारी चीजें ना बाद में डिस्कस करते हैं। सो वी हैव अ लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस टू डिस्कस, नहीं तो ना डिले हो जाएगा बहुत सेशन। सो एक बार ये सारे क्वेश्चंस पहले डिस्कस कर लें, देन आई विल मूव ऑन टू ऑल द क्वेरीज। Okay, so in 17 he says by selling mangoes at the rate of 64 for rupee 2000. So अगर 64 मैंगोज 2000 के आप सेल कर रहे हो, तो एक मैंगो आप सेल कर रहे हो 2000 डिवाइडेड बाय 64 का। द वेंडर लूजेस 40%, सो ये सेलिंग प्राइस है। सो वी ऑल नो सेलिंग प्राइस इक्वल 1 प्लस माइनस पी परसेंट ऑफ सीपी। तो कहने से कॉस्ट ऑफ वन मैंगो विल बी selling price divided by multiplying factor, which in this case will be 0.6, which is 3 by 5. So 3 नीचे 5 ऊपर चला जाएगा। How many should he sell for rupee 1000 so as to gain 20%? अब इसके ऊपर उसे गेन चाहिए 20% का, तो मल्टीप्लाइंग फैक्टर विल बी 6 by 5 or 1.2 we can say. So we just need to simplify it. 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 2 2s are, राइट। सो वन मैंगो, सो मैं ये 2 भी काट देता हूं, 1000 अपॉन 16 आ जाएगा। सो वन मैंगो विल बी सोल्ड इन 1000 अपॉन 16 रुपीज। सो कहने से व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई बोथ साइड्स बाय 16, so in 1000 rupees the number of mangoes that are getting sold will be equivalent to 16. काजल डेसिमल में कहां से बेचोगे? ऑप्शन भी नहीं है, इट इज 16। यूनिटरी मेथड प्लीज ध्यान से अप्लाई करो। राइट सोनम, राइट। इज इट क्लियर गाइस? इफ एनीवन हैज अ डाउट डू लेट मी नो। सो मेरी आदत है मैं प्रॉफिट लॉस डिस्काउंट के क्वेश्चंस एक ही जगह पे सॉल्व कर देता हूं। सो क्लियर है सभी को जो मल्टीप्लाइंग फैक्टर किया है यूज? प्लीज आंसर इन यस नो। राइट सुमंत, मैं दोबारा दोबारा कर देता हूं। राइट नयन, 64 मैंगोज का प्राइस हमें दे रखा है रूपी 2000, दैट इज द सेलिंग प्राइस, राइट। सो सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ वन मैंगो will be 2000 upon 64. Now selling price is equivalent to 1 plus minus p% of CP. So if you are losing 40%, we can say selling price is equivalent to 1 minus 0.4, which is 0.6 times C. So cost will be S upon 0.6, wherein 0.6 is nothing but 3 by 5. So your cost now will be 5 by 3 times selling price. Now you are required to gain 20%. So now P is 20. So selling price comes out to be 1 plus 20%, which is 0.2, which is equivalent to 1.2C, or you can write 6 by 5C. So that's why I multiplied the cost with 6 by 5 to get selling price. Then we simplified it. So one mango should be sold at 1000 upon 16 rupees, as we need to find how many should be sold in 1000. So I multiplied both sides by 16. So 16 mangoes should be sold in rupee 1000. देख लो अभी क्लियर है? प्रेरणा, डिलो, गीतिका, नयन। सो ये जो कैलकुलेशन है, ये अगर आप ओरली कर सकते हो, job will be relatively quick and easier. Right? Right, Prerna. डिल्लो, सोनम, गीतिका, देख लो कोई डाउट है? नयन, सुमंत, इज इट डन? राइट राइट। हिरल, क्लियर है? सुमित, इज इट डन? राहुल? Yes, Sumit, P will be your profit or loss percent. Be quick with the response, guys. Right, Karthik. Right, Sumant. I am saying Dillo only. वो कई बार N थोड़ा silent रह जाता होगा. So I am a Punjabi guy. So हमारे यहाँ पे ढिल्लो are there, right? So it's not Dillo. I am saying it's Dillo. So you need not worry. Your name will be taken care of. Yes, yes, Vishal. Narinder, maybe you need to refresh your window. Okay, so the area of a triangle metal plate with base 88 and altitude 64 is to be reduced to 1/4 of its original area by making a hole of circular shape at the center. So this is 88 and altitude is 64. So its area is half of base into height. Right now it should be reduced to 1/4 of its original area. So if you reduce it to 1/4, so you have to cut a circle out of this. So can I say area of this circle should be 3/4 of this area? This is the area we need to cut out, right? Of a radius r gives me pi r square, which is 22 by 7 into r square should be equal to this. So ये समझ लो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाएगा. गीतिका दोबारा कर लेते हैं, दोबारा कर लेते हैं. मेरा एक सेशन है प्रॉफिट लॉस डिस्काउंट पे, जस्ट गो थ्रू डेट ऑल्सो गीतिका. तो प्रॉफिट लॉस डिस्काउंट पूरा तुम्हें अच्छे से समझ आ जाएगा, हाउ टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस क्विकली, राइट? मैंने पूरा थ्योरी विद अ लॉट ऑफ एग्जांपल्स वो सेशन ले रखा है, राइट गीतिका? सो गाइस चेक इट आउट. इज इट क्लियर? नरिंदर एक बार बंद करके दोबारा ऑन कर ले, बंद करके दोबारा ऑन कर लो. दोबारा से करोगे तो अगेन आई थिंक दिखना शुरू हो जाना चाहिए. Okay, so let's solve it. So 22 get cancelled out here by 4, 4 get cancelled out here, right? So 2 get cancelled out here by 32. So r square comes out to be 3 into 7 into 32. So r will be equivalent to 32 तो बाहर नहीं आएगा, so इसे मैं 2 into 16 लिख रहा हूँ. 16 का square root is 4 and this will be 3 into 7 into 2, 42. So correct answer option is D. अभिषेक पेपर बहुत इजी होते हैं यार, सारे इजी होते हैं. मैं कर रहा हूं तो तुमको सब इजी लग रहा है. जब खुद करोगे अगर इजी लग रहा है तो पेपर यही है. दिस इज द एक्चुअल पेपर, राइट? बहुत इजी आते हैं पेपर यार. ऐसे थोड़े ना 100% आ जाता है मेरा. अगर पेपर डिफिकल्ट आते होते तो मेरा ही 100 आना था क्या? इजंट इट? See, it is the way basically you solve questions and you look at questions. क्वेश्चंस को इजी बनाना, डिफिकल्ट बनाना सब अपने हाथ में है. अभी तुम्हें ये सारे क्वेश्चन इजी लग रहे हैं एंड इफ द वेरी सेम थिंग विल कम इन पेपर एंड अगर किसी स्टूडेंट को थोड़ा सा भी एग्जाम फोबिया है, राइट, वो एग्जाम में जाके कर ही नहीं पाता, डर के मारे बस हाथ पैर फूल जाते हैं. सो हमारे एज में आके वो चीज खत्म हो गई. पता नहीं कितनी बार, हजारों बार, हजार पेपर दे दिए, फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता एग्जाम देके. राइट, सो उस फोबिया से थोड़ा सा यार बाहर निकलो। मैं सभी को यही रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं अगेन एंड अगेन, that it is very important to solve previous year paper to understand my level vis-a-vis level of the paper। अब अगर मैं ही तुम्हें यही क्वेश्चन करवाने के लिए लंबी चौड़ी कहानी सुनाना शुरू कर दूं और पूरे 2 पेज भर दूं, दिस क्वेश्चन कैन बी डन इन मेनी वेज, 2 पेज भी भर सकते हैं, देन यू योरसेल्फ विल फील दैट द क्वेश्चन इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट, हेंस पेपर इज डिफिकल्ट। राइट, बहुत इजी आते हैं सब पेपर। चलो देखो, so find the value of 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3 square root। So we just need to rationalize the value in square root, so multiply and divide by 2 plus root 3। So in the numerator we have 2 plus root 3 whole square ka square root, so leftover will be only and only 2 plus root 3। In the denominator we have a minus b into a plus b, which is a square minus b square, so 4 minus 3 comes out to be 1। सो रूट थ्री अगर आपको याद है वैल्यू, इट इज 1.732, सो आंसर कम्स आउट टू बी 3.732, विच इज ऑप्शन डी। राइट अर्जय, राइट राइट। विशाल अभिषेक ने दुखती रग पे हाथ रख दिया, कहता पेपर डिफिकल्ट आता है। सो जब कोई स्टूडेंट बोलता है पेपर इज डिफिकल्ट, मैं यही रिक्वेस्ट एंड सजेस्ट करता हूं कि डिफिकल्ट नहीं आता। क्षितिज कौन सा क्वेश्चन करना है यार? आई जस्ट रेड योर मैसेज, आई थिंक मिस हो गया। क्षितिज, सुमंत, डी, बी इज 2.732, डी इज 3.732। so guys, do like the session। okay, so आंसर पहले रिवील हो गया। so a mixture of petrol and kerosene weighing 5 kg contains 5% kerosene। so आपके पास पेट्रोल और केरोसिन का एक 5 kg का मिक्सचर है which contains 5% kerosene। how much more kerosene must be added in to make it 10%? So the kerosene that is getting added is 100% kerosene. So we just need to aggregate it. So their difference is 90. Their difference comes out to be 5. So 5 get cancelled out. 5 ones are 5. 5 eights are 40. So they are mixed in the ratio 18:1. So if this is 5 kg, this must be 1 by 18 of 5 kg, which is 5000 grams. So 2 nines are 18. 220, 500 कट गया, so 9 कट जाएगा, 9 2 जा 18, left over is 70, then 9 the 7s are 63, left over is 70, again 7s are 63, so approximately answer comes out to be 275 grams। so guys, is it done? If any student has a doubt, do let me know। okay, so let's move on। काजल, रुबेश, हैव यू गॉन थ्रू द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एलिगेशन? किया है क्या रुबेश? पहले मेरे पास 5% था, चाहिए 10% है, कैरोसिन ऐड करना है। जो कैरोसिन आप ऐड कर रहे हो डेट इज प्योर कैरोसिन, कंटेन्स 100% कैरोसिन, देन उसे एलिगेट कर दिया बाय सब्ट्रैक्टिंग। 100 minus 10 is 90 and 10 minus 5 is 5। required ratio comes out to be 18:1। so the kerosene that is to be added should be 1 by 18 of 5 kg, which is 5000 grams। then it was only about simplification। Kajal, it will not be 10% of 5 kg only, So when you are adding some amount of kerosene to it, so let's say x grams or x kg is being added. So question says 5% of 5 kg is there, right? Plus 100% of x kg is there. That should be equivalent to 10% of 5 plus x kg. So this is the equation that we have to form. Kajal, I hope the equation is clear now. So we are not adding 250 but 275, right? Is it done? Right. So do like the session, comment, share, subscribe our YouTube channel. So that's all for today, guys. Now a very important announcement for all those who joined late. So in the month of February, so Gradeup has launched February Mela sale, wherein there will be flat 50% off on all MBA courses. Now the fee at Gradeup for your MBA preparation will cost you in the range 10 to 12,000. So the 12-month program now can be availed in 10,000, and 18-month program, which is for all MBA exam preparation, can be availed in 12,500. If you compare it with any other institute, all right, you know that the fee is very genuine. All right, so the mission of Gradeup is to give best quality coaching to the students at least possible fees. All right, all right. So Gradeup in this case is providing largest number of live interactive classes, and the classroom hours are also the largest. All right. So CAT 2021 course is available at the lowest price with best learning experience. All mock test and sectional tests for all MBA exams are included in this fee. Right, so you need not pay any penny extra. All right, so you write any number of exams, all mock, all sectional tests are included, which is not the case with other institutes. All mentors here have scored 99.9 plus percentile in their respective subjects multiple times. All right, so mentors who themselves top the MBA exam every year are here. So 5 mentors have 99.9 plus percentile in CAT 2020 again. So Feb 50 is the code that you have to use. Guys, here is the code that you need to use for your admissions or super subscription. So here is the team. Now I know you all are aware of the team members who are helping you day in, day out. So now let's focus on the queries that you posted me. अभिषेक, when it comes to जीके, यार जीके हम ना ओवरनाइट कर नहीं सकते, ठीक है? सो जीके का हमेशा ही ये एक कंसर्न रहता है. सो इन ऑल माय वीडियोस फ्रॉम वेरी बिगनिंग आई एम ट्राइंग टू लाइक कन्वे दिस मैसेज कि प्लीज जीके तो अपना साथ साथ में करते रहो. राइट, सो इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द पैटर्न ऑफ CMAT, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, so you are having 25 questions in each section. टोटल 400 मार्क्स का आपका पेपर है, 4 नंबर का आपका एक क्वेश्चन है. यू हैव टू मैक्सिमाइज योर स्कोर इफ यू विश टू गेट इनटू जमनालाल बजाज. राइट, पेपर इज वेरी इजी, वेरी इजी. लॉजिकल रीजनिंग 25 के 25 क्वेश्चंस आप कर सकते हो. क्वांट के ऑल 25 आप कर सकते हो. लैंग्वेज के भी शायद 25 कर लो, बट जीके अगर पढ़ा है तभी होगा, अदरवाइज तुक्के मार के तो सारे कर लोगे. राइट, बट तुक्के मारने का कोई सेंस बनेगा नहीं, बिकॉज नंबर नहीं आएंगे तो बेनिफिट नहीं होगा. स्टिल यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, सो डू फोकस ऑन जीके पार्ट. सो इफ योर फोकस इज जेबी, देन 350 प्लस का स्कोर तो बनता ही है कि हम टारगेट करें. राइट, सार्थक, इट्स नॉट अबाउट मी. राइट, विवेक, लास्ट ईयर आई थिंक जेबी जो जर्नल कैटेगरी था 69 रैंक तक बंद हो गया था. राइट, इज इट डन विवेक? राइट, सो अब पंगा ये है कि आपके पास फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एट दिस पॉइंट इन टाइम ये मत लेकर चलो कि मेरे को क्या मिलेगा. सो द मॉक टेस्ट दैट यू आर अपियरिंग इन, उन मॉक टेस्ट में देखो आप अपना मैक्सिमाइज स्कोर क्या कर पा रहे हो. दैट मैक्सिमम स्कोर विल एनेबल यू टू थिंक कि मेरा क्या स्कोर एक्चुअल पेपर में बन सकता है. राइट, सो लास्ट ईयर जेबी में 63 रैंक पे क्लोज हुआ था जी. 63 रैंक पे. सो कैटेगरीज में तो काफी डाउन गया है. आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग एट द लिस्ट. राइट, कैटेगरीज में तो काफी काफी आगे तक गया है रैंक. ओके विकी, तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं. अनूप, आई नीड टू चेक. आई नीड टू चेक, अभी मेरे को इस चीज का ध्यान नहीं है. एक काम करो, सभी स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर लो. राइट, टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर लो. जो भी क्वेरी एनी हाउ आई एम नॉट एबल टू आंसर हियर, वो सारे के सारे आप टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में पूछ लो, कर देंगे वहां पे आंसर. ठीक है, मैं अभी जरा विक्की के इस क्वेश्चन को आंसर कर दूं. सो इट इज रिलेटेड टू मैथ्स ओनली. यस, यू नीड टू एम 350 प्लस. मैक्सिमाइज करो स्कोर यार. सीमैट इज नॉट एट ऑल डिफिकल्ट. आई रिमेंबर, मैं सारे क्वेश्चंस हमेशा ही सॉल्व कर लेता हूँ सीमैट के. शायद ही कोई क्वेश्चन होता है जो सॉल्व ना हो, एंड जेन्युइनली दे आर वेरी इजी. ओके, सो विवेक ने एक क्वेश्चन दिया है, द मंथली इनकम ऑफ अमित एंड भरत आर इन द रेशो 5:4. सो इनकम्स का रेशो 5:4 है. सो लेट इट बी 5x and 4x. Their monthly expenses are in the ratio 19 into 21. So let it be 19y and 21y. And their savings are in the ratio 37:18. If the annual saving of Amit and Bharat is, so हमें एनुअल सेविंग दे दिया दोनों का मिला के 37z plus 18z is 1,32,000. Then we have to find Amita's monthly income. So ये हमें बताना है क्या होगा. So Vivek, इस केस में when you add these two, right, it will give you the value of z. So तुम्हारे पास दो इक्वेशंस बनेगी. इनकम माइनस एक्सपेंडिचर इक्वल टू सेविंग होता है. So 5x minus 19y will be equivalent to 37z. z का वैल्यू यहां से मिल जाएगा. And here we get 4x minus 21y equal 18z. So when you know the two values here, x का वैल्यू निकालना है तो y को एलिमिनेट करने के लिए इसे 21 से और इसे 19 से मल्टीप्लाई करके सॉल्व कर लो. Is it done, Vivek? Sorry, Vicky. डन विकी, हो जाएगा सॉल्व या करूं सॉल्व पूरा? सो 8 + 7 15, 3 4 5 55. Z will be 1,32,000 divided by 55. सो यहां पर पुट कर दो ये वैल्यू. डन, ठीक है जी. सो कीप मी पोस्टेड, अगर कुछ भी किसी का डाउट है सो ग्रुप में डाल दिया करो, टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में. सो कोई ना कोई वैसे ही हेल्प आउट कर देता है यार. ऑल स्टूडेंट्स आर ऑलवेज अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन. Right. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll catch up with you in next session. Right. So thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.